This is emergency broadcast system. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. We interrupt all communications to bring you this final emergency transmission. At 4:32 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Washington, D.C. was seized by hostile Soviet forces. The president is unaccounted for. Command structures across all military branches have ceased operation. Our armed forces have been overrun in all major zones. The continental United States is no longer under the control of the federal government. Communications have been severed. Emergency services are no longer operational. There will be no further broadcasts. If you are hearing this, you are on your own. Gather your loved ones. Remain hidden. Do not attempt to resist. God help us all.